can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Mid-February.
And you can feel it.
We are 1 week into owning and renovating Bluey, the boat. And we thought we'd do a little sesh on how it's been, how we're feeling about it. Let's just recap a little bit. We're in Ireland and we got a message from the shipyard saying that this boat was available. We'd seen it a couple of months earlier, but we thought it was sold, but it became available again. And we decided to put an offer in and bought the boat and then came back to the Netherlands and decided to start the process of renovation.
Yeah, we moved it to this place last week.
We had to get it moved with a tugboat.
I think I nearly had hypothermia because my job was to stand on this deck. It's so cold, it's distracting.
It's cold today. I think that's one of the things that, because it's midwinter, I think it's going to be a great time to start the boat because it's only going to get warmer throughout the spring and summer.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's kind of a horrendous time to start renovating a boat because it's all new to us and we don't have any of the stuff sorted yet. We don't have a heater downstairs.
No.
It's quite cold. Like the wind today is quite bitter.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. It's lovely and sunny, but it's like, 0 degrees.
Yeah.
It can be uncomfortable. But, when you work hard and you're doing...
the demolishing of the insides is my favorite part so far because that's what keeps you warm. It also allows for me to act out on a lot of the aggression that I have.
Kind of like therapy for you, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
It's a bit scary for you sometimes.
Scary
isn't it?
watching you therapize yourself
with a crowbar.
Yeah, it's a pretty wild thing to do, to suddenly decide to buy a boat and convert it. And
I've been feeling quite chill about it, and I see it as an adventure. But the people around me who I tell about this boat, people around me are quite shocked. That's the only thing I've noticed. With everything we do, I can see the end of it, but I feel like it's an adventure.
I've always found that the things that have always been the best things I've ever done in my life have been things where people around me have been unsure as to whether it's a good idea.
Yeah.
If you want to live an interesting life that is true to yourself, you just can't listen to the average voice around you. And the fact that we are getting people going, this is a terrible idea, what are you doing this for?
I don't think anybody says that it's a terrible idea.
They might be thinking that.
Well, maybe, but what I've heard so far is, that's going to be a never-ending project.
I think it depends how you frame it, because I love converting this boat. It's fun and it's interesting and it is going to be a lot of work, but I'm going to enjoy doing it.
And we're not even 5% in, are we? We're just demolishing it right now on the inside. We haven't seen the hull yet. We're going to do a welding course. We're going to do the welding ourselves. All of the metal work, it could be really daunting once we understand the severity of the state of the boat. But so I do want to keep that in mind and not completely be, naive about that. But I think it's going to be fun anyway.
Exactly.
What can go wrong? We have a house. We don't need to live on it immediately. So,
I mean, no matter what happens, things will happen where we'll be, it'll be more expensive than we imagine, or it'll be more of a pain than we imagine.
Yeah.
But it's just such a great analogy for life, isn't it? Like, life is about dealing with problems and trying not to create too many problems for yourself. And I suppose buying a boat's a bit like that, that you have to accept.
We created a very big problem for ourselves.
Well, yeah. We created a lot of work.
A puzzle. It's like a puzzle.
But ultimately, I'm feeling great. I was feeling a bit concerned emotionally prior to buying it, because I was like,
to buy it.
I just didn't know what was going to be possible. And, this for me, this isn't my home country and it's not my home language. And so there's discomfort there. But so far, it's been much easier than I thought it was going to be to get to this stage. So I'm hoping that continues.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
And hopefully the weather will improve, because honestly,
it gets a bit warmer.
That's, I think, also where a large part of my aggression comes from.
Yeah.
It's like, why can't it just be 5 degrees? Instead of -1.
Well, it will be. It will be.
Annoying.
In a week's time, it's going to be 10 degrees.
Yeah,
so I don't know why you're complaining.
Well, I'm complaining because
it's just cold
not
today.
10 degrees right
it's
now.
cold today. All right. Okay, well, we've got work to do. Should we go and do that?
Yeah, we should.
1 week done. Plenty more weeks to come. and feeling very positive. Glad we made this decision.
Yes.
All right.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.